In this video, I am going to show you what I do to keep the ants out of my house when they come in. Instead of using chemicals, I use something that is natural, which is called dichotomous earth. So here's my kitchen right now, and as you see, the ants are just coming in because it is starting to warm up, and they're always around the sink. It doesn't matter what I do. Every single year, the ants want to come back because I guess I live in the country and that's how it is. But what I do is I get on Amazon and I buy this dichotomous earth stuff. And I don't really know if it matters what brand. Basically, what it is crushed up shells. And what we're going to do is set that around the kitchen. So I'll take a spoon and just put it basically where all the ants are. And I like to put it all the way down because if you don't put it all the way down, then they just kind of go around it and find new paths. Also, make sure you do not get it wet. Now, the only bad thing is you have to leave it there at least a week or longer, and it is a little bit of a mess, but it really does work. It seems like when you leave it there long enough, when the ants don't come back, then they're done for the season. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to this channel. I will talk to you guys later. Hopefully you don't have any more ants after this. All right, bye.